We can see that now our trend is switching. This is by, you can see that instead of going up, it has now returned and it has switched. So when you see it switched, you quickly sell, then you click on the line, the red line, then you go to the stop loss, which is the SL. The SL means that the stop loss, you don't want to lose more. So when you click on it, it tells you what you are going to lose. So you put it behind the candle that has formed. You put it behind, and when you look at it, you are going to lose $55. Okay, then we modify. We click on the modify. Okay, when we click on the modify, that means that we are done with our modification. So when you look at it, it's switching from buying to sell. So we are now going to sell. So we are now selling. As you can see, it's going down. This is 50 minutes. And when you go to 4-hour time frame, you can see that it has started selling from where I put my boundary, my boundary line. That's where the green is. So what you're seeing is telling us that the market is going to sell. You have to come all the way down. Okay. So this is what we have. So let's click on the same line where we clicked and the market start, where we start selling. We click on the same red line. So when we click on the line, it will give us the stop loss and the take profit. We've already selected the stop loss, so we will add the take profit. So let's click on the take profit. You see that we are having 134. Let's drop it all the way down. Let's drop it all the way down. Okay, so we're having like almost, if we should come all the way down, we're having like $1,000 at the down. Then we click on modify. Okay, that's it. We are good to go. Okay, so now the market has changed. This is the moving average. When we should bring up everything down, you can see that the market went to touch my overall trend moving average, and where it has gone to hit, you can see that from the bottom it was hitting the layers one by one, hitting the layers one by step. It has gone to hit the last one, and it's coming all the way down. So we can shift our lines down if you want to make a lot of money. This is $3,000. If you have money, you enter, you click sell, and you leave it. It's going to go all the way down. Good luck.